Welcome to another coachable moment by CPR Training Academy of Connecticut. Today we're going to talk about the respiratory system. Why do we need to know about the respiratory system when we're given CPR? Because during CPR, blood flow to the lungs is only about 20 to 33% of normal. So fewer breaths and smaller air volume is needed to provide oxygen and eliminate carbon dioxide during cardiac arrest than when the victim's heart is working normally. When performing CPR, rescuers must pause compressions to give breaths. So let's learn about the respiratory system, its organs, and its structure. The pharynx is the throat, and it lies directly behind the nasal cavities. And there are three parts to the pharynx. We have the nasopharynx, which is the upper part. We have the oropharynx, which is the middle part. And we have the laryngopharynx, which is the lower part, also called the hypopharynx. Nasopharynx, it's the throat, and it lies directly behind the nasal cavity. Nasal cavity, it's the space between the cranium and the roof of the mouth. The oropharynx is the middle part of the pharynx behind the mouth. The laryngopharynx, it's also referred to as the hypopharynx. It's a crucial connection point through which food, water, and air pass. The diaphragm is located below the lungs, and it is the major muscle of respiration. Epiglottis, it is a flap of cartilage attached to the roof of our tongue. It's a structure that closes over the opening into the larynx during swallowing. The larynx, it is also called the voice box. It lies between the pharynx and the trachea. The trachea means throat. It is the windpipe, and it extends from the larynx to the center of the chest. The right lung or the left lung, they are the organs of respiration located in the thoracic cavity. Bronchi are the two large tubes that carry air from your windpipe to your lungs. Bronchiole, a small branch of the bronchi, and it carries air in the lungs. Alveoli, it's the microscopic air sacs in the lungs. The alveolar duct is a tiny duct that connects the respiratory bronchioles to alveolar sacs. The alveoli form clusters, and these clusters are called alveolar sacs, and they resemble a bunch of grapes.
Thank you for watching another coachable moment by CPR Training Academy of Connecticut. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. See you next time for another coachable moment.